How to make money with Froggy Ads. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video, we will discuss about Froggy Ads and how this self-service advertising network works, some pros and also some cons, some things about their conditions, payments, and many more important subjects about Froggy Ads. If you like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. You can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about Froggy Ads. And what do you think about this advertising network? So let's get started. First of all, what is Froggy Ads? Well, Froggy Ads is a result-focusing self-serve advertising network. Froggy Ads was launched in the year 2013, so it's a long time ago. It seems legit by its parent company platform. Headquarters of Froggy Ads is located at Aarhus in Denmark. How it works, you may wonder. Froggy Ads offers CPM, CPC, and CPV methods of marketing campaigns with advanced ad formats like push banner, native, pop, well, it has pop-up and pop-under, and also video ads. Minimum bids for the ads are as low as $0.0001 or $0.003 and $0.1. Web-band geo-target features are also available. This network is self-serving. Publishers have to sign up to the network, get approved as sales, and then get approval of their website. Froggy Ads will provide advert codes. Publishers have to use the code to monetize their websites, and users are able to control the ads by setting up their own waterfall, their own ad tags, layers. Also, they have floor rates, passbacks, and so on. However, all ads are properly scanned and updated by the network to avoid harm on display or links. Now, some things about their conditions. All ad codes have to be used in only original format. Pre-written content of the network is mandatory. If modification is required in a website, only one ad code per page is allowed. Publishers are strictly not allowed to use email for placing ad codes as messages. Now, the restrictions. Any site that promote activities which are illegal under US or Danish laws will be blocked. Sites like hardcore or child pornography, bestiality, or contain links to such content will be blocked. Sites having content which are hateful to anyone, false programs, or software piracy or malicious softwares are not allowed. Any site with update, upgrade, download, toolbars related programs are also restricted. Although this network prohibits everything that is illegal in the USA or Denmark, however, under Term 11.1, only the law of England is applicable for resolution of any dispute. The revenue is generated as per the traffic action, and advert conversation provides result. For example, publishers will earn for every 1,000 impression in CPM method and every click in CPC method, and for every view of ad in CPV method. So now the payment method. They have network issues payments via PayPal and wire transfers. All rules of payment are decided by those methods. Payment time, Froggy Ads issue payments in bi-weekly frequency. Payments are paid on manual request if it reaches minimum payout limit. The minimum payout to withdraw from PayPal, the publisher must reach $100. However, in case of wire transfer, the allowed minimum payout limit is $500. Payments are issued in United States dollar, USD. All fees are charged from the receiver. So now let's go ahead and take a look on their site here. If you want to learn more about Froggy Ads, you can go ahead and check their site. Go to home, take a look at their ad formats, advertisers. They have push ads, which is new. You can also go here and you can also sign up or log in, create an account, and start making money with Froggy Ads. Their ad formats are push notification ads. If you don't know what is a push notification ad, you can read from here. Is a innovative and user-friendly way to connect with your audience. You can increase engagement with your content, provide user experience to your customer. They also have banner ads. Display advertising creates brand awareness. They also have native ads, which is the integration of marketing content with a service or a website. Video ads also, pop-up ads, pop-under ads, also interstitial ads and audience ads. Here are their pricing models. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you have any questions, here are some answers to some general questions. Maybe you can find something interesting here. How you can create an account with Froggy Ads, what is a dashboard, how you can create a campaign. On your dashboard along the top there is a campaign tab. You can click right there and add a new campaign. You can also go to your dashboard. To the right you will see account overview and then see a new button. Click on that and then click on campaign. It's that easy. You can also find out from here what is a daily impression cap. So you can also find out how you can create an advert, how to clone your ads, some targeting options that they allow, and also how you can find country-specific careers. They also have a ton of questions here that you may find useful, so make sure to check on those before starting making money with Froggy Ads. Before you create an account, make sure to document well about Froggy Ads. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one, how you can make money online. You can also comment in the comment section down below your questions about it, your thoughts. What are you thinking about Froggy Ads? Will you try it? Will you not? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.